is up, my YouTube peeps? Speaking of peeps, this is actually, shit, I forgot about this destruction here. So speaking of peeps, this is actually the time of year when those little marshmallow goodies come out for Easter. So as a kid, I used to love those little peeps. I don't know how people eat them differently. Camera's all kind of... I know people eat them differently. I personally like to leave them out a little while, get hard, get a little stale, you know, and then when you bite into them, get that nice chewy goodness. That's good. And when I would eat them, I would bite their head off like the rock god Ozzy Osbourne used to do with a bat, or did at least once with a bat. Not used to do, I guess he only did it one time. But yeah, that's what I used to like to do. Now, I was a fat kid, so I really enjoyed getting Easter candy. I mean, I'm a fat guy now, but you know, as a kid, I really enjoyed it. You know, Peeps, peanut butter eggs, oh, they were like awesome. But the best thing was, you get one of them 8 12-inch hollow bunnies wrapped in the foil in a box. Fuck, man. I used to take one of them bad boys in a jar of peanut butter, man. I'd go to town on that little motherfucker. Yeah, there was some good shit back in the day. But nowadays, for Easter, what I found, or actually what my wife found, are these Swedish fish. I don't know how that angle is. These Swedish fish jelly beans. That right there is the shit. If you like Swedish fish, which I love Swedish fish. Growing up as a kid, I used to go to the a place called Mr. Ed's. It was right on the way home from school, and they had a huge bin full of penny candy. You go in there, 50 cents, and you get a brown paper bag just full of candy. It was some really awesome shit back in the day. But anyway, the Swedish fish jelly beans are like goodness in your mouth, you know. So if you can find them, I would highly recommend getting them, especially if you like Swedish fish, you know. So I would definitely recommend you checking them out, because they are tasty. So it is March 10th, and it is 60 degrees, and this is literally the earliest time of year I've ever commuted to work. I'm on my way to work right now, so this is the earliest time of the year that I've ever commuted on the bike, which I'm not complaining about. You know, me being able to get out and ride a little bit and actually make content, like, that's awesome. So it's going to be in the 40s in the morning, but I'm good. I can deal with that. I got my my cold weather gloves, so we'll be all right. They're saying it's going to be even warmer tomorrow. They're talking about record-breaking temps. So I gotta look and see what time. They're saying rain showers are coming through Friday morning, and I'm gonna see what time they're coming through, and hopefully I'll be able to do it 2 days in a row. in the month of March. So, alright guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. You want to comment down below. Let me know if you like Peeps, how you like to eat them. Oh, and speaking of Peeps, I seen something on TikTok. Yeah, I'm on TikTok. I don't do anything on TikTok, but I have a TikTok. So I seen they made like Rice Krispie treats with Peeps. It sounds kind of good. I might have to try that out. So anyway, like I said, we'll leave a comment down below. Tell me if you like Peeps, how you like them, like how you like to eat them. Do you like to eat them when they're squishy and fresh? Like let them sit around for a couple days? Tell me. All right. Oh, yeah, I forgot. If you are subscribed, thank you very much. I appreciate every one of my subscribers. If you are not yet subscribed, please feel free. Please feel free. And be sure to hit that bell notification. You'll be notified anytime I upload a video. All right, guys. So until next time, my friends, my peeps, stay safe and love one another. Peace.